Hey everyone, Trevor and Katie Bird here with Durango Harley-Davidson for your November update. First of all, I want to say thank you to everyone who came out to our annual toy run last weekend. It was an incredible day. We collected the most toys for Tots that we've ever collected and raised the most money and had the best turnout ever. It was a beautiful day and a beautiful ride. And so thank you to everyone who turned out for that event. Upcoming in November, we have a lot of great things coming up. On November 9th, which is a Saturday from 11:30 to 1 is our customer appreciation event, which also ties into our national year-end event where you can enter to win a 2024 Fat Boy and a 3-day trip to Milwaukee. So you can enter into that sweepstakes on the 8th and the 9th, and then join us on the 9th for the customer appreciation where we'll have some food and lots of free gifts. The first 40 people that enter the door will receive a special gift. And all military veterans will also receive a limited edition commemorative pin from Harley-Davidson. So we hope you'll join us for that event on November 9th. And we're also having a Winterize Your Motorcycle Workshop on November 16th from 12 to 2. So please come and join us for that. And there'll be more details on our website. Also, lastly, for the months of November and December, while supplies last, it is also our gift with purchase. So if you come in between November and December and spend $300 or more on a Harley-Davidson licensed product, you will get this commemorative tank clock, which is pretty cool. So it will look great in your office or your living room.
No doubt. And we've also got a lot of great specials going on in November, starting with our merchandise department. They are doing 20% off leathers and footwear. Great time of year to be looking at a new leather jacket, a new pair of chaps. So make sure you come by and take advantage of that. And our parts department, if you buy a new battery for your bike, we are going to throw in a free tender lead. And our service department will do a free voltage check on your battery and your motorcycle, your charging system, see how everything's working. And they will install that tender lead at no cost. And then for motorcycle sales, if you come in and buy a new 2023 or 2024 Harley-Davidson motorcycle, you will actually receive a in-store shopping spree. You'll ask any of our sales associates for more details about that, but it's going to be a great promotion. And then finally, we have Black Friday and Orange Saturday coming up, where they are going to be taking an additional 30% off current clearance items. That means on some of these items, you're going to be buying them at 70% off the original retail. So there will be some incredible deals going on. If you're looking to get that Harley enthusiast in your life, a great gift for Christmas, Durango Harley-Davidson is a place to do it. And also in November and December, all active and retired military will receive a $50 credit towards a service on their bike. So if you've served our country, Harley-Davidson and Durango Harley-Davidson wants to say thank you with a $50 credit towards a service on your bike. As Katie started out, thank you again to everyone who came out for the toy run. It was an awesome job. She did an awesome job. And then finally, we are getting into winter. It's November. We're updating our store hours. We're still going to be closed on Sundays and Mondays, but Tuesday through Friday, our new hours are 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Saturday will still remain open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So again, Tuesday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m., Saturdays, 9 to 5. You can always shop online 24/7 at DurangoHarley.com. Hope you guys all have a great November.